You guys, back with another video. And in today's video, we're gonna be trying to scare someone that ever comes upstairs and looks in my room. So we're gonna be setting up something. I have my nerf guns and stuff over there ready. I have my stuff right here and battle axe. And so we're gonna be scaring someone. And guys, we're almost up to 10 likes. We only have, 10 subscribers. We only have 2 more until we get to 10. So my goal this week, this and next week, is to get that 10 subscribers. So make sure you like and subscribe. Click that notification bell so you never miss a video. And yeah, let's get right into the video. Alright, so I have my computer right here, and I'm gonna be putting this up right there, acting like it's a camera, but it's not on right now. So, and I have a tablet, put it right there, and second, get something off real quick. And I have this. And I'm gonna be, and I have my fake pistol right here. So I'm gonna be putting that right there. I have my sniper right here, a minigun right there, and my shotgun right there. But right now I'm just gonna be using the sniper because that's gonna be way more intimidating than the others. And I'm just gonna be setting it down right here. I'm gonna need something to set up this, and I'm gonna act like it's loaded, but it's actually not. Oh yeah. 1 like equals 1 prayer to Jeff. He is broken. I'm gonna fix him real quick, because he's my partner, and that's what partners do. And I need to put his leg back on and his arm back on. I'm missing 1 arm and 1 leg. So 1 like equals 1 prayer for Jeff. He has blue hair. This is his leg. Here he is, looking a lot better, but not fully recovered. So yeah. He's gonna be my partner. He's gonna be working the computer right here, just sitting here, working the computer. Look, so he's just gonna be like this, tapping buttons and stuff. Just sit up, Jeff, straight. Lift your head up. I built him myself. Stop putting your head down, Jeff. Yes, keep your head up. Stay alert. You better not put your head down. Jeff, just stop it. Look like a deer in the headlights. Oh my gosh. Okay, Jeff. I'm gonna have to put you closer to the Jeff, just stop playing with me. Alright, Jeff is just gonna time out right here. Stay in the corner, Jeff, until you learn. Okay, so I'm gonna be using something to hold up. Oh, found it. So I'm gonna be using my truck right here to hold up the gun, and it's just gonna look like that. So whenever someone tries to come in or something, then they know they did something wrong by coming in here. Alright. And I have my other robot, Max, over there. You see him just laying down right there? Yeah, he's right there. Oh yeah, and if you guys see those headphones, if you remember which video it was with those headphones in them, I think it was 1 or 2 videos when I had those headphones on. But if you leave in the comment section down below which video it was, then there's a shout out. Another one. Alright, so I'm gonna put that right there, and I'm gonna put the tablet right there, and then I'm gonna leave the pistol right there, and then I'm just gonna put my scarf on right here, because I like this scarf. My grandma made it for me, and I like it a lot. Oh yeah, I had this in the video too one time. So let's get right into it. I'm gonna hide the camera right here. So alright, so that's good right there, and just gonna put that right there. Let's see how it goes. And my mega nerf gun. I'm gonna tell someone to come upstairs. Alright? First I have to go to the bathroom. So, just finished going to the bathroom, and now I'm about to go. Decided when I was in the bathroom, I'm gonna go get my brother. Oh yeah, and I have to get my watch on, looking stylish, though. So it's like that. Alright. So, let's see how this goes. But my brother eating ravioli. I ate lasagna. In the comment section down below, tell me what is your favorite food right now. Let's go do it. Be right back. brother's coming. I gotta get ready right now. Let's see how this goes. I might do another video today, I don't know. But let's get into it. Matt, come on! Hurry up! So I can go to Nana's house. So, and I could be pop for that championship for wrestling. Come on, Matt. Come in the room. Hurry up, hurry. Surprise, surprise! Well, he didn't even get scared. I got your bracelet. Did you get scared at all? You didn't? Say hi to the camera. What's the matter with you? Oh yeah, we redesigned our family room. What's the matter with you? You sure you wasn't scared? I'm gonna end this video right here. Hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And don't forget to comment down below what's your favorite food. See you guys later. Bye.